Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and we've got a quick unboxing. Pull out the Old Faithful. Out you come, and I think we're just going to cut the top off of this bad boy. Rightio, in we get. Lots of shredded paper. It's like no hidden surprises. And we call for the knife again. This one's a bit different than what I usually collect. And out she comes. So, not a Gillette. I think it's pronounced Wizamet. There it is there, the W logo. And underneath there is a W2. And it's an adjustable, as you can see. I'm not sure how this, here we go. So it seems to be in good operating order. Just bought this on a whim. See if this mechanism works. You'd say anything it was styled after a Slim or a Black Beauty. There it is, and we've got a pack of matching blades to go with it, made in Poland. So it should be interesting. I'll probably do a shave of this sometime soon, and I'll use these blades in there. Okay, well, short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will catch you soon in the next video. Take care. Ciao.